దీనికి ఇది బ్లౌజ్ ఇక్కడ పళ్ళు దగ్గరే వచ్చింది.
ఓకేనండి, అట్లే చూపిస్తాను. Hi all, good evening. This is Priya from Vastra Abharna, Bangalore. Hi, hello, good evening, welcome. Hope my video and audio is clear. Hi Banu ma'am, welcome, good evening. So today's show we are coming up with completely new arrivals for today's show, 700 and 780 mostly. So if not, I'll let you know while doing the live show. So if you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. We have website called vastraabarna.com. You can check out and you can start shopping in our website as well. So flat 20% off is going on in our website actually for new arrivals, and in our store Adi Ashada sale is going on actually. So flat 50% off we have. So you can visit both our stores actually. I'll just wait for few friends to join. So today's show completely new arrivals budgeted range collection. Hi Purnima ma'am, welcome. So completely budgeted range only for today's show, so don't miss this. So if you want to place order, immediately take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. Hi Chama ma'am, welcome. So just a few minutes, I'll wait for few friends to join. So we have our website called vastraabarna.com. Everything we have given in the description box. Kindly check out and you can place order with us. Happy shopping. Hi Jayashree ma'am, welcome. So first saree complete. Hi, hello ma'am, welcome. So first completely with the floral design. So what we have posted new. Hi Ka, welcome. So what we have posted new yesterday, like all our super duper collections actually. So floral design. So only 700. Free shipping we are providing. So all our moss chiffon saree, very pretty collections. So only 700, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect immediately with us on WhatsApp and you can place order. Okay, let me start the show with the first saree. So hope my video and audio is clear to everyone. If not, kindly comment in the comment box. If anyone wants to see any particular saree to be open, kindly comment in the comment box. I'll open it for you. Okay, let me start the show. So first, as I said, we are going to start with the beautiful vibrant color, the kalamkari design. Moss chiffon saree. So this is priced at 700 only. So we have posted this video. Actually, already we posted this video. This is a very beautiful vibrant shades. Easy to drape. 6.30 meter saree. Budgeted friendly. So what else you want? Very pretty collections. So all these are beautiful printed kalamkari saree with the contrast border. On either side of the saree you have a pretty contrast border with the beautiful kalamkari floral design, and this is how the border looks. Hope my video is clear to everyone. So this is how the border, and this comes with the beautiful pallu. I'll show you one minute. This comes with the beautiful pretty shades of pallu. This is how the pallu looks, and this comes with the contrast blouse like this. Very pretty. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. All our beautiful collections. This is priced at 700. So this is how the border looks. Already we posted this video in the Insta. You can check out. So this is how the dress looks. If you want to, saree looks. If you want to place order, take screenshot, comment in the comment box. Or else you can place order through website also. So vastraabarna.com is our website. We have posted many collections in our website. So you can check out and you can start shopping. So this is how the saree looks. Hope my video and audio is clear to everyone. So very pretty shades of kalamkari with the beautiful design on the pallu. Very pretty. So and this comes with the contrast blouse. I'll show you the colors. What are all the colors available? If you want to place order, kindly take screenshot. Connect with us on WhatsApp. This is a beautiful blue with golden yellow combination. So this is a beautiful blue with golden yellow combination. And this is a grey with orange. So this is a grey with orange. And this is a kind of mild yellow shade actually with the red combination. So all these are priced at 700. Free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. All are very soft fabric. Moss chiffon. So 6.30 meters saree. Normal wash at home. So this is a red with blue combination. So all are pretty colors. Inkokti open chesinnaru kada. So this is a kind of blue actually. So this is a kind of peacock blue. Very pretty. If anyone wants to see any particular saree to be opened, kindly comment in the comment box. I'll open it for you. Very pretty color. So all these are available under this. So priced at 700. Free shipping all over India. So only in case of damages we can take exchange. And I'll show you this beautiful saree. This is a very pretty one. See the color. How pretty it is. Very pretty. So I'll show you how the blouse comes and the pallu comes. Very pretty shades. ఎట్లండి ఇది
అది అట్లే వస్తుంది పై పక్కన బార్డర్ పెద్దగా వస్తూ ఉంది
అవునా లేదే అండి ఓకే చూపిస్తా So thank you Divya ma'am. So this is the other color what we have in this. So this is priced at same 700 but the design is little different from the previous one. All are beautiful shades. See how pretty it is. బాగా వస్తుంది కదా ఒక్కసారి చూడండి ఓకే అక్కడ నాకు చూసేలాగా పెట్టండి. So this is how the saree looks. ikkada chair la konta pettiroom. Very pretty shades. So this is the very big pallu. This has got a beautiful border. So this is a silver line border. Very pretty. So this is the pallu. This is how the peacock design pallu. Very pretty. And this is the blouse. So if you want to place order, take screenshot. This is priced at 700. Free shipping all over India. So we have many colors in this. I'll show you one by one. So this is how the saree looks. Very pretty saree. And we have a beautiful light pink shade. Pink with the orange color contrast border. So this is a very mild yellow. Actually you can keep pastel yellow as well. Very mild yellow. And this is a kind of sea green with the navy blue color, ink blue color border. So there is a difference between these two greens. Kindly check out. So there is a difference between these two greens. So this is a baby pink color. So all the colors are very pretty in this. Priced at 700. Free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So this is a kind of half white with the blue color combination, ink blue. All the colors are very pretty in this. Just చూపించేస్తాను ఓపెన్ చేయాలంటాను పర్వాలేదు. So this is a ink blue with the pink color contrast color. So this one also. So all this are very pretty. Thank you Chaitra ma'am. Thank you. We have sizes available in this. If you want to place order, kindly connect with us on WhatsApp ma'am. So we have sizes available in this. We have one more color also. So this is a beautiful, I'll show you how this border looks, very, very pretty. So all these are beautiful collections, new arrival, budgeted friendly. Sure ma'am, I'll block it for you. So priced at 700, free shipping. Kindly connect with us on WhatsApp ma'am. So if you want to place order, take screenshot, kindly connect with us on WhatsApp. So all these are more chiffon collection, very, very pretty sarees. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. And all these are beautiful collections available. So this is how the very pretty saree. So easy to drape. So this is how the saree looks. On one side you have a tiny border. On the other side you have a bigger border. So pretty collections, budgeter friendly. This is how the pallu looks. And you will get printed blouse like this. So very, very beautiful shade. This is how the blouse looks. Priced at 700. We have colors in this also. I'll show you what are all the colors available. See this one. It's a peacock blue border. The body color is same, but the border color is different. Whatever the border color you see, the same color contrast blouse you will get. So this is my favorite red color. So we have yellow. It's a beautiful yellow shade. This is an aqua blue you can keep. And we have a pretty pink shade. So these are the colors available. Really this gives a very rich look once you drape. So we already posted this video in our Instagram. You do check out. Actually you will get how you will get to know how rich the saree is. Priced at 700 ma'am. Lachu ma'am, priced at 700. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So next I'm moving on to the linen cotton ones. So we have 4 colors in this. So this is priced at 550. So this saree is priced at 550. This has got a beautiful floral design on the entire saree. So beautiful floral design on the entire saree. Either side of the saree you have a contrast border. Brazo saree, it's a more chiffon saree ma'am. Previous one is more chiffon saree. So this is how the pallu looks. It's a beautiful pallu. And you will get contrast blouse like this, priced at 550, free shipping all over India. We have 4 colors in this. I'll show you one by one what are all the colors available. We have a beautiful yellow shade. We have a beautiful yellow shade. It's a peacock blue with the yellow color border. We have Brazo sarees for today's show. I'll show you ma'am. This is a mehendi green with pink color combination. Sorry. Priced at 550. This one is priced at 550. Free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot. This is how the saree looks. Very, very pretty collection. Contrast either side of the saree you have a contrast border. So this is how the pallu looks, and this comes with the contrast blouse like this. Whatever the border color you see, the same color contrast blouse you will get. Priced at 550, free shipping all over India. So next time moving on to the wrinkle chiffon Brazo sarees actually. All these are Brazo collection. So if you want to place order, take screenshot and you can connect with us on WhatsApp. So few already uploaded in the website and do check out. See this one, it's a very pretty shade of navy blue with Rama green. See this one, how pretty it is. Really pretty color. So it's a navy blue with aqua green combination. You can keep Rama green as well. So this is totally 3 andi. 4 వచ్చిండే ఒకటి పోర్చా. So this is how the saree looks. See how rich it is. So this is how the pallu looks. Very, very pretty collection. And this is the contrast blouse. This is priced at 700, free shipping all over India. So this is a pretty collection in chiffon wrinkle brazo with the copper weaving design. So this is how the saree looks. Very pretty collection. If you want to place order, take screenshot. We have 3 colors in this. I'll show you one by one what are all the colors available. So we have a pink with green. So very pretty color. and we have a Rama green with red color combination. So all these are 700 only, free shipping all over India. New arrivals in wrinkle chiffon. This is how the saree looks. See how rich it is. It's a navy blue with aqua green combination. Very pretty color. So pallu, and you will get contrast blouse like this. So very pretty collection, priced at 700, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So next time moving on to this design. This is the other design what we have in the wrinkle chiffon brazo. So all these are beautiful collections, very good quality branded ones. So this is how the saree looks. It's a bottle green with red combination. So this is a bottle green with red combination. On either side of the saree you have a contrast border like this. So this is how the pallu looks, and you will get contrast blouse like this. So priced at same 700, free shipping all over India. So this is how the saree looks, very pretty collection. So this is a green with red combination. Hi Renushri ma'am, welcome. So this is a beautiful bottle green with red combination. So I'll show you what are all the colors available in this. So this is a navy blue with aqua Rama green. You can keep navy blue with Rama green color combination. We have two designs in this. The previous one we have 3 colors only, and this we have around 5 colors. So this is a red with Rama green. So this is a red with Rama green, very pretty color. So this is a reddish maroon with the green color combination. So we have a pretty black with pink. All these are wrinkle chiffon, priced at 700, new arrivals. The cloth will be different from the previous one, and this is the Rama green with red. So this is the Rama green with red, priced at 700, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. We have a cotton brazo as well for today's show. So stay tuned. If you are looking for cotton brazo, we have new arrivals actually in cotton brazo. So next I'm moving on to the completely pastel shades. Very pretty collection. I'll show you how this saree looks. Completely pastel shade. First ee design చూపించుదాం. ఈ డిజైన్ లో అన్ని కలర్స్
ఓకే
కాటన్ ఎత్తిరండి పర్వాలేదు. So this is a very pretty saree in pastel shade. See how rich it is. Once you drape, you will come to know what are all, how rich the saree will be. So we have 4 different designs in this. All these are wrinkle chiffon, completely a pastel shade with the copper zari. So this color, I think you can't able to make any design over this. So I'll show you the other color. So this is the onion pink. So this is how the pallu looks, and this comes with a geometrical printed blouse. So priced at 700. I'll show you what are all the colors available in this. Very pretty. Trust me, the cloth is very beautiful. Quality one. So this is the other color what we have. All are pastel shades. All are beautiful pastel shades. Once you drape it, you will come to know how rich it is. So the cloth is very soft actually. So all are wrinkle chiffon, priced at 700. We have this green. This green is very pretty. 700. Free shipping all over India. We have a grey color. If anyone wants to see any particular saree to be opened, kindly comment in the comment box. I'll open it for you. So this is a very pretty shade. All are new colors, pastel shades. If you are not looking for any darker shade, go for this. Very pretty. So priced at 700, free shipping all over India. So all are completely pastel shades. We have 3 different designs in this. Sorry, 4 different designs, I think so. I'll show you all the designs. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So next I'm moving on to the second design what we have in this. So priced at 700, open sky blue. Yes ma'am. This one, right? I'll open it for you. So the entire saree has got a beautiful design. I'll show you the saree. This side open cheyala kada. very pretty. Yeah. So the entire saree has got a beautiful design with the copper zari weaving. All are in pastel shades. So either side of the saree you have this kind of border. Hi Vidya ma'am, welcome. So this is how the pallu looks. Sorry, this is the blouse and this is the pallu. Very pretty, priced at 700. And next moving on to the other design, second design in the same pastel shades with the copper zari. All these are copper zari. So this is how the saree looks. Once you want to place an order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. So hi ma'am, hi, welcome. So this is how the saree looks, very pretty. So either side of the saree contrast border, pallu, and this is the same geometrical printed blouse. Very pretty, priced at 700. So we have colors in this, I'll show you. This is a different rare color, I don't know how. Transparent, yes ma'am. This saree, I'll show you in single pleat if you want. So you have to drape it as a pleat ma'am. Since this have completely design, it doesn't show off. See this one. So this you have to drape it as a pleat because all these are chiffon brasso collection. You have to, once you drape, you doesn't feel any difference actually. See, you can drape it easily, very pretty. So we have colors in this. This is a very rare color. I don't know how to say this color. Very pretty shade. So and one more we have in this. These three colors are available in this particular design, priced at 700, free shipping all over India. So next I'm moving on to the third design, what we have in this. 4 designs undi kadandi. So this is the third design. This is a beautiful green shade. So this is how the saree looks, very pretty. This is the closer look of the saree. This is how the design looks. The same pallu, floral design pallu, and you have a leaf design blouse. Very pretty. So priced at 700. Colors are available in this as well. So we have a grey shade. This is a grey color. Ma'am, if you don't want, if you think this will be transparent, we have the same similar designs in brasso, cotton brasso as well. Do check out those sarees also, ma'am. So this is a ink bluish grey, and this is a this grey, and this grey is little different. So this is different. Priced at 700, free shipping, and this is the rare color. I don't know how to explain this color, but very pretty shade. So priced at 700, free shipping all over India. So next I'm moving on to the fourth design in the same pattern, priced at 700 only, free shipping all over India. So this is the fourth design what we have. In this also we have only 3 colors left out. So totally 4 colors will be available. So already audience being sold out on this. So this is the fourth design, what we have. So this is also priced at same 700. Either side of the saree you have a copper saree weaving border. So this is how the pallu looks, very pretty shade, and this is the blouse. So all are pastel shades, priced at 700. So we have 3 colors in this. This one and this one. So these 3 colors are available. So priced at 700, free shipping all over India. So next I am moving on to the cotton brasso ones. Newly arrived cotton brasso ones, priced at 780, free shipping all over India. All these are new arrivals in cotton brasso. I'll show you one by one what are all the colors available. So this is the first design what we have in cotton brasso. So this you can drape it in single pleat also. This you can drape it in single pleat also. So all these are copper design, copper zari copper brasso one. This is how the saree looks. This is a beautiful wine shade. The entire saree has got the meenakari work as well. No, ma'am. These are all new arrivals, ma'am. So old, previous chiffon saree 651s you have discount, ma'am. So if you take two, the previous one is 1200. Not for these, ma'am, actually. So after discount only, I'm saying single price 700. This is how the pallu looks. Beautiful pallu, and this is the floral design blouse. All these are very pretty shades. Priced at 780. We have colors in this. I'll show you one by one what are all the colors available. So this is a green color. So all are meenakari work. So this is a reddish maroon. So kumkum red you can keep. This brown color, and this is brown. So all these are cotton brazo one, priced at 780 with the meenakari design. So if anyone if you are thinking that it will be transparent, you can go for cotton ones. All these are also gives a very elegant look. So next I'm moving on to the second design. What we have in this, దీంట్లో కొల్ల కలర్స్ ఉంటాయండి. ఇది నేను ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటాను. కొంచెం సీక్రెట్. So this is priced at same. This is the second design what we have in cotton brazo. So we have different colors in this. I'll show you one by one what are all the colors available. So priced at 780, free shipping. This is a beautiful, this has got a ivory prints on the entire saree. Beautiful ivory prints on the entire saree. So this is how the saree looks. Beautiful mango design on the saree. So this is comes with the contrast border, pallu, and this is the blouse. Dewdrop design on the blouse, very pretty. So priced at 780. We have colors in this also. So this is a wine shade. So this is the wine shade. There will be little color variation due to lighting. So 5% color variation will be there. So this is a pink shade. And we have a navy blue. So this is very pretty, and we have a green. So this is how the saree looks, priced at 780, free shipping all over India. All these are cotton brazo collection with the ivory prints on the entire body. So if anyone wants to see any particular saree to be opened, kindly comment in the comment box. This is how the saree looks. So easily you can drape. Pallu, and this is the contrast blouse. So next we have the second design in this cotton brazo saree. So this is a pink shade. Hi Vinshika ma'am, welcome. So this is the second design what we have. The previous one and this one, the ivory design is little different. Previous one was the mango design, and this is a little floral pattern on the ivory color, very pretty. So this is a beautiful pink. So this is how the pallu looks, and this is the blouse. So this is priced at 780. We have colors in this as well. So 6.30 meter saree, normal wash at home. So this is a beautiful orange shade. Hello. So this is a beautiful orange shade. So this is aqua color. So we have a green. So we have a yellowish orange. This is the yellowish orange. We have a grey. So these 5 colors are available, priced at 780, free shipping all over India. So next I'm moving on to the other design what we have for today's show in the same cotton brazo sarees, priced at 780, free shipping all over India. So this is the other design what we have. So this is a beautiful blackish grey. You can elephant grey you can keep. Completely meenakari work on a beautiful copper zari. So creeper design on the entire saree. creeper design on the entire saree. Very, very pretty shades. This is a grayish color. So this elephant grey. So this is the black with the meenakari pallu, and this is the contrast blouse. Priced at 780. Completely a cotton razo. So we have colors in this. This is a beautiful green shade. So this is a kumkum red. This is the Rama green. So we have brown. And we have a wine shade. So all these are available for 780, free shipping all over India. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. All these are very, very pretty collection. So we have uploaded in our website as well. Do check out and you can start placing order in our website. So this is how the saree looks. It's a you can drape it in single pleat as well. So these are all the collections available for today's show. Only 700 and 780. Only two collections. And one more thing, cotton one is 550. If you want to place order, take screenshot, connect with us on WhatsApp. That's all for today's live show. Thank you. Have a great day. So have a great weekend. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Bye-bye.